Well, the history of how we got to a Grand Design is having had 2 Class Cs before this one. And our daughter purchased a 36-foot Grand Design. Loved it. Talked about how well the service people stood behind it and the quality of the build. So we were intrigued. We came up and traded in our RV and bought the small one. And the reason we bought it was for the size of the bathroom and the size of the bedroom and a small kitchen. For just the 2 of us, my wife and I, it's ideal. The Class C that I had was very narrow, and it was very hard to go from front to rear inside of the unit. We only have 1 slide on this one. We like it. It makes enough room for the living room, and it's going to work out well. We're real pleased with it. Coming here to the rally today and meeting a lot of the design people have impressed us to the point that we think it's going to be a great purchase. We're new. We've only had it 64 miles on the road, so we have a lot of room for things to happen. I picked up the unit, had to take it to indoor storage. It was November, and called up the factory and got a very knowledgeable young man on the phone. I said, "Are you sure this is a 12-foot roof? Because I got a 12-foot door." And he said, "It's 11 feet, you're good to go." And it was. No, it was great that I could speak to someone directly on the phone. I didn't have to go through voice mail or a long list of numbers to get to a person. And the young man I got to is very knowledgeable and knew the product. Things that were wrong, they fixed. Customer service has been good, and General RV has been taking care of the unit, so happy people.